now many people know that real extra virgin olive oil has a lot of potential benefits. But why? In today's video, I'd like to share with you what are 7 of the main health benefits of extra virgin olive oil. Welcome to my channel. My name is Anastasia. I created this space to share with you my passion about extra virgin olive oil, Italian food, and more. First health benefit of extra virgin olive oil is that it is an anti-aging food. Since extra virgin olive oil is rich in vitamin E and antioxidant, also known as polyphenols, extra virgin olive oil, it really helps our body slowing down the aging process from the inside out. It will show in our skin as well. The second health benefit of extra virgin olive oil is that it contains healthy fats. Fats are not all created equal. We know that there are animal fats and vegetable fats. Of course, olive oil is part of the vegetable fats. In extra virgin olive oil, we'll find omega-6 and omega-3, the good fats that increase good cholesterol in our body. The third health benefit of extra virgin olive oil is that it is an anti-inflammatory and helps lowering chronic inflammation in our body. You know, when you take an Advil or an ibuprofen, extra virgin olive oil works pretty much the same way. It activates the same receptors in our brain. And of course, Aleve, ibuprofen, they're much higher in the effect of extra virgin olive oil. However, if we consider the compounded effect, it means the effect over time of using high quality extra virgin olive oil regularly, the overall inflammation in our body will be kept low. And the benefits of lowering chronic inflammation are related to things like gut inflammation, liver dysfunction, all this type of disease that we can prevent. The fourth health benefit of extra virgin olive oil, it is a friend of our heart. This health benefit is related to reduction of the chances of getting strokes. This does not mean that we have to go overboard with the use of extra virgin olive oil. Just a couple of teaspoons a day will help us reap the benefits of this heart protection. The more we incorporate extra virgin olive oil in our diet, the less we use other less beneficial oils or lard, margarine. So more EVO, less bad fats in our body. The fifth health benefit of extra virgin olive oil is that it protects against developing cancer. Especially extra virgin olive oil protects us from developing breast cancer and those cancers of the digestive system. There is an interesting study done by the Harvard University in 2022. This study found out that people that use at least 1.5 teaspoons a day of extra virgin olive oil have 17% less chances of developing cancers or cancer mortality. This absolutely amazing anti-cancer property of extra virgin olive oil is due to the oleocanthal. Not only it's present only in the olives, oleocanthal develops only when the olives are crushed. If we think that olives are the only fruit in the world that have this compound, oleocanthal, for me that's pretty incredible. The sixth health benefit of extra virgin olive oil is that it is good for brain health. So extra virgin olive oil can really help fighting cognitive decline, dementia, and disease like Alzheimer's. The seventh health benefit of extra virgin olive oil, it is that it might improve bone health. So it might protect us against developing osteoporosis, and it can also make our bones simply stronger. These studies are very new and they need to be confirmed. However, it would be great if they were correct. And these, guys, are 7 of the main health benefits of extra virgin olive oil. But there are even more. In folk medicine, for example, extra virgin olive oil has been used as a hangover relief, as an antifungal, an antiviral. EVO has been used also to reduce muscle pain and also as an aphrodisiac. Interesting, right? So, as we can see, extra virgin olive oil is such a superfood that has so many health benefits that it makes it well worth incorporating in our diet. No matter what diet we're doing, if we're vegan, gluten-free, if we're on a keto, extra virgin olive oil is good for every type of diet. Even if you're on a low-fat diet. And remember, we don't have to go overboard. We only need a couple of teaspoons a day to reap the benefits of this amazing superfood. There's no reason we shouldn't be able to enjoy great quality extra virgin olive oil. But we need to make sure we're enjoying a real extra virgin olive oil. So if you want to know more about it, feel free to watch this next video. Guys, thank you so much for watching and don't forget to hit subscribe.